Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mike636 here, and as the title suggests, this is an unboxing video of the new Atlas 4.0 that I just bought. Thank you to Ruroc for having it here so quickly. I ordered it like Tuesday, and it shipped in like 4 days and ended up having it. So I've been waiting a while to actually want to do this because I've been really excited about this new helmet that I got. And as you can see, I got my 2.0 Atlas Ruroc here with the uh, toxin design on it. And I still got my GoPro there because I haven't taken it off yet. So we're gonna do, as far as this unboxing goes, I'm gonna unbox the 4.0, everything that I ordered with it. Ordered some visors, the new Shockwave, and I'm gonna do a comparison actually between the 2.0 that I bought years ago and the 4.0 and see what major differences that they did between the 2.0 system and the 4.0. And as we all know, the 4.0 is under different certifications. So ECE had a change of their certifications of what they're testing for. So it's actually a lot safer for motorcyclists and riders to be wearing this compared to the standards and certifications that the 2.0 got. So let's get into this. So looking at the new Shockwave, I'm actually really excited about this. You guys have no idea. Been wanting like a new one, and then they had a sale on it, and I was just like, you know what, I gotta take this. Oh crap, gotta do this. Woo. Ooh, I like this. I do. That looks really nice. Oh, probably would help if I put it right. That looks really nice. So one of the things that got me into Ruroc is actually I came across their website, and one of my buddies who works at a motorcycle shop here in town actually suggested checking out Ruroc because they got some good helmets and great designs. So ended up buying this one back in 2020 with the gold visor. That decal is added on, obviously. Ended up getting this. This was about $500. The visor was 70. The Berserker mount, which eventually started falling off, so I had to Gorilla Glue that back onto the helmet. And don't mind how dirty it is. I honestly have tried to clean it, but riding around it just gets super dirty. I love the toxin just because it reminded me of Venom. And the Berserker was about $35 for that mount. And then I also got the Shockwave Bluetooth audio system into this. This was actually a pain in the butt to kind of put on and put together. So, you know, really excited with this purchase, and that's why I ended up, when Atlas decided to go out with a 4.0, I was like, I gotta get it. So, get this out of the way. And yes, I'm doing this on my bed because, let's face it, I'm just actually kind of lazy and I don't want to clean off my dining room table. So, we're doing it in here. So, let's get this opened up. Woo! Okay. You already know Ruroc goes above and beyond for their customers or anyone that orders their helmets, because, I mean, just look at that. Like, the box itself is in, like, already just screams high quality. Designed and engineered in the United Kingdom. I'm just saying, UK guys, you're doing good. Oh, that is... I like the way they do this. I do. Oh, wow, okay. This just... Alright, I just want you guys to appreciate this real quick, because I do. I have... So, the helmets themselves come with a clear and a dark tinted visor. I ordered 2 more visors on top of that. A gold and a chrome one, because I wasn't sure which one was going to be good for it. But look how they have this packaged right now. Like, look at the quality of that. That is just absolutely amazing. Like, they really take the time to package it correctly. They don't just stuff it in there and ship it off. No, they take their time in setting it up, getting it organized to where it looks very presentable and very professional when you finally receive it. Like, this is the quality of stuff that a lot of companies should be doing. Like, especially something like expensive as a motorcycle helmet. What is this? And honestly, let's just be to be perfectly honest, I just want to say I love Ruroc's emblems. Like those just I don't know, it's just aesthetically pleasing to me. What is this? Oh, okay. Cam mount. Gonna have to need that. Okay. So let's pull this out. I don't know what visor this is. Let's find out. And like I said, like I got this back in 2020, so I'm really excited for this. What is this one? This is the tinted one, I believe. Yes, this is the tinted one. I actually am really excited to see how that looks on there. So I'll put that off to the side. Let's see. Grab these. Oh, okay, here we go. Here are the ones that I ordered. The gold visor. So the gold is the same thing as that one, as you guys can see. Reflected, polarized. Really looks nice. Like, especially, it looked nice on the Toxin one. I got it because, well, I mean, it looked good on that helmet, so I'm assuming it would have looked good on this. But, and then also, going on their website, I got chrome as well. So I am really interested. This is the first time I would actually buy a chrome visor. They had it available for this one. Don't think it was available for the 2.0 when I bought it, but I wanted to give this a shot, see how it would look. Set that there. And not sure what these are, but I'm pretty sure I'll find out eventually. Okay, so moment of truth here, everybody. So before I pull that out, so what I got design wise is a serpent. So anyone that's been on Atlas's or Ruroc's website probably already knows what this design is, and other people that have done unboxing videos when this helmet first came out, you probably have already seen it. If not, go check out Ruroc's website. They have some amazing helmets. I mean, there's their website right there. They got amazing helmets, amazing designs, DC. Their DC helmets, I will say, are by far like one of the best ones I've seen, because those helmets look phenomenal. All their helmets look phenomenal. The design work is amazing. Props and congratulations to the design artists that designed these helmets, because they do a fantastic job in the artwork. So we're going to try to pull this baby out right now. Woo! Okay, here we go. Woo! Alrighty, we're going to set that up right there. Make sure there's nothing else in here that I'm supposedly missing. Nope, we are good. Alright, let's get this box out of here, because I don't need it. Alrighty, so moment of truth. This unboxing. I am really excited for this. I saw the look on this from their website, and I was just like, this has to be the one I get. Especially with the new 2021 ZX6R that I bought. So I'm really, really excited for this helmet. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Okay, that is... Wow. Yo, this is so freaking cool. Like, I'm sorry. That is cool. Like, look at that. That is just amazing. The design work on this, though, look at that. Look at how detailed that stuff is. Like, that is ridiculous. Oh, like, just look at all the detail. That is really, really impressive. So I'm going to back this out real quick. Look at that. So this is the 2.0 with the Venom. And this is 4.0 with Serpent. If I'm being perfectly honest, I loved my 2.0. But this 4.0 really takes the cake. That is just oh, that is amazing. I actually love this Serpent design. I was actually trying to find another Toxin in the 4.0, but they didn't do it. Come out with a design for this 4.0. So I went with this just because it kind of matches color scheme with the new ZXXR that I bought. So, but I just want to go over. I'm just gonna bring that down. So I'm looking at the designs between the two, and what I'm already seeing and noticing is up here, the vents, these two just had two openings. There's no way to close that. This 4.0, you actually can open and close it, which I like and I love. One of the other bigger things is I've noticed is right here. So with the 2.0s, they gave us the way to lock the visors. You know, that little pin stuck out and all your visors ended up with that hole. Obviously, that created issues with Ruroc because they got rid of it in the 3.0 and 4.0. You don't have that pin anymore. Woo. You know, it's all magnetized. There's a little magnet that keeps it closed. And I'm assuming that obviously has to do to create less drag or less wind noise. So, you know. But, oh, this thing is gorgeous. Like, that is just... I'm sorry. I love my 2.0, but this thing is phenomenal. Like, even underneath, like, look at that. Like, the padding. I know what they did. They changed up the padding, the cheeks. They made it a lot thicker, but I'm feeling this padding right now. And even when I had my 2.0 and I bought this, like, the padding didn't feel this nice. This thing feels amazing. So, actually, in a lot of my videos, you guys are going to start seeing me wear this one. I will be wearing the 2.0 a lot too. I mean, this is kind of my iconic helmet that a lot of people in town know me with, so I probably would be wearing this a lot, but this definitely is going to get its time out and about, because frankly, why would I not want to show this helmet off? I do want to see what it looks like with the different visors and stuff, so actually I might put the chrome one on just to see what it looks like. We're going to go do that. Okay, so that was a little bit easier than putting this one on, but I will say that chrome, the chrome fits. I think the chrome's going to be what stays on this helmet a lot, because that is fantastic. I love that chrome. It fits aesthetically with the helmet itself. So definitely, I think chrome is going to win, but I definitely will play around with, the gold and my black visor. So honestly, I'm probably never going to use the clear one. As much as it's a nice thing to have, probably will never use it. Let's just be real. No one ever uses the clear visor too much. But that gold or that chrome compared to the gold, like I love it. I might test around the gold too just to see how it feels, but that chrome looks fantastic. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The 4.0 Atlas Berserker helmet. and then the 2.0. Like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I really can't wait to roll around with this and shoot some videos with this helmet on. To be perfectly honest, I'm really excited to try this out. I might have to break it in because they did their sizings different, so might be a little bit on the tight side, but God, that's a gorgeous helmet. Whoo! All right, everybody. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. For more content, please check out my YouTube channel. Appreciate the support. All right, guys. Till the next video.